Hi, better people. Welcome to BetterChat. My name is Harsh, and in this video, we'll be talking about how to add multiple WhatsApp number in your BetterChat account. As of our last video, we have added our WhatsApp number. Now, to add more WhatsApp number, we need to simply repeat the same process. Now, we need to click on Add Number. Then, we need to fill out this form again, which is asking my WhatsApp number. For now, I'll just choose my number again. Then, my business name, that will be Aspen for now. Business description will be pharma company. Then the address, I'll choose the last one, that is a dummy address. Business email will be aspen@gmail.com. The website will be aspen.com. And for the logo, I'll just choose the last logo, and then I'll simply click on Add Number. Wait for a while, and as you can see, the number is successfully added. Now we need to wait for the SMS from Meta to come. Then we simply need to add that SMS OTP here, and then click on submit, and in next 6 hours this number will be activated. Thanks for watching the video. For more future updates, consider subscribing the channel.